Alright, if you want to save your meetings for later, recording them is super useful. In this full guide, I'll show you how to record sessions in Google Meet, step by step. First, recording is only available on certain Google Workspace accounts, so make sure your account supports it. Now, start a new meeting or join an existing one in Google Meet. Once inside the meeting, click the Activities icon at the bottom right corner. Click Recording, then select Start Recording. Confirm to begin. Everyone in the meeting will be notified that recording has started. So always make sure participants are aware. Now just continue your meeting as usual. Everything audio, video, and screen sharing will be recorded. When you're done, go back to Activities, click Recording, and select Stop Recording. After the meeting, the recording will be saved automatically to your Google Drive, usually in a folder called Meet Recordings. You can now share the recording link with others, just like any file in Google Drive. And that's how you record Google Meet sessions. Simple process, and really useful for keeping track of meetings or sharing with others later.